Hey, what's going on? Fold AR here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our gas system today, how to adjust it, and why you need to adjust it. So this leaves the factory adjusted to fire unsuppressed. So if you are immediately going to get this and put a suppressor on it when you get home, there's a 50-50 chance of it operating correctly. And so you need to be able to know how to adjust your gas block and your system accordingly. So let's talk about the reason why you would need to do that. First thing is, it's just not cycling. Well, if that's the case, you got a problem. We need to adjust your gas. Second is my brass ejecting out at 1 o'clock? If it is, your weapon's overgassed. If it's ejecting backwards at your 6 o'clock, the weapon's undergassed. You want that ejecting at 3 o'clock, right out the side of that weapon, falling perfectly on the ground right beside you. So the way that we're going to start this process is with a T15 star. You're going to take out the 8 handguard screws. I've gone ahead and taken the liberty of doing that so you don't have to watch me do it. Then you would remove your handguard. Our gas block has a set screw in it. It's got a set screw and a needle screw. A lot of people think that they are adjusting their gas with that set screw. They are not. That is basically a set screw that is in the outside of that gas block. So you will need to remove that with your 1/16 Allen wrench. But once you're there, inside of this gas block is this needle screw right here. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and put this one in here for actually that one already got one in it. We're going to put it in this one for fun, just to see how this thing operates. And as you can see, I'm going clockwise, which is closing the gas off. So that is now all the way set, closed. There is no gas coming through this gas block to go and cycle your weapon. So if you are overgassed, that's how you would probably start this whole endeavor, would be there. So you've got it bottomed out. You know, just start by taking a few turns out of that and seeing where you're at. Fire it, see if it cycles, see if it's still kicking it forward. If it's not, fire it again, make a few adjustments. Then once you have it set to where you needed it, you could, in point of fact, pick your set screw up off the floor, which is a good place, and it's probably going to end up there at least once. And then you would put that back into that gas block. Normally you're going to have one thread sticking up above the gas block, depending on where your gas is at. If you got your system opened up, it may look like that. This is okay. I recommend keeping your handguard off while you're making adjustments. That way you're not having to, take the 8 screws in and out. You would risk stripping this, stripping other things. It's perfectly safe to shoot that without the handguard on there. So once you have your gas set, then you would put your handguard back on and start putting all your handguard screws back in there. These don't have to be super duper tight. Just snug them all down real good. There is 8 of these, so this does take a little while. If you lose any of these pieces, we do have lifetime warranty, and I will replace these small parts at zero cost to you the majority of the time, unless you call me and say, hey, I lost all 8 of them. then I may charge you for 8 of them. But if you lose your set screw on your gas block, or you lose a screw here or something, just give us a call, email us, and we'll get you fixed up. Hope this was informative for you, and we appreciate your business. And if you need us, just reach out to us, foldar.com. Thank you.